everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have all the updates that you need to know about Colbeck Manor in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. So if you want to know about these affordable housing options coming to the market very soon, keep on watching. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Colbeck Manor, this is a gated community in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, developed by Kemtek Homes. They offer 3 housing models: the Citadel, which is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom option; the Vista, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom option; and the Monarch, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom option. The prices for these homes will range from 14 million up to 18.5 million and will be available on the market for their phase 3 of development very soon. Initially, stages 1 and 2 of the development were offered back in October of 2020, and all of those units and models sold out by the beginning of November actually. So, as you can see, persons are in high demand for these homes. As stated earlier, Colbeck Manor is a gated community. It will feature a clubhouse, and it is also in close proximity to schools, the highway, and also other shopping and commercial centers. When phase 1 and phase 2 of the development was being offered, persons did have an opportunity to go in and do some viewings to look at the models and the different houses, everything that was being offered. However, this time around, Kemtek has opted not to do any viewings or any open house. They are just putting it out there for sale on their website with videos of the model units. Of course, many persons on YouTube here, they do little tours and so on. So if you want a more detailed tour, you can even search for that. But in this video, I will include pictures and whatever I can of Colbeck Manor for those who are interested. Now, the original launch of the sale of phase 3 of the development was slated for September 27 of 2021, but something happened and Kemtek has decided to postpone the launch of the sale of phase 3 of the units. Now, this is a good opportunity for you. Of course, it's a little delay, but all the persons who did not know about the development and the launch of phase 3 will now have an opportunity to do so. Now, we all know that there's great demand for housing, especially affordable housing, in Kingston and St. Catherine. Many persons opt to work in Kingston and live in St. Catherine and just take that drive in on the mornings to come into the Kingston metropolitan area for their jobs and even for like their children's schooling and so on. So the demand is there for houses in St. Catherine, whether it be Old Harbour, Spanish Town, or areas Angels. So persons will definitely flock to these homes. They will sell out. They will go quickly. So this is your opportunity. Again, they have delayed it. I'm telling you now, get ready. You know, a 10% deposit is required. Get your affairs in order. You know the drill for, signing up for houses. Go. Let's take a look at the different housing models that will be offered at Colbeck Manor, and let's look at their prices and what each lot or housing model unit has to offer. Now, the Citadel is priced at 14 million Jamaican dollars, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom option. It offers an enclosed laundry. The house size is 810 square feet, and the lot size is 3,500 square feet. Of course, all the houses will have the tub shower combo in the bathrooms, closets, travel-on finish on the outside, backyard space and side yard space for gardening, vaulted ceilings, granite countertops, and porcelain tiles. Now, let us compare that to the NHT's Silver Sun Estates, and you will see right there that you're actually getting a better deal in terms of, like, let's say, finishes and the overall look of these units. And even just from the pictures, you can tell you are getting a larger space. The living room seems larger to me. The kitchen, dining area, open concept, and the tiles is just better fixtures, better finishes than what was being offered at the Silver Sun Estates in NHT. Now you have to take in consideration that the location is different, of course. This is in Old Harbour, and the NHT Silver Sun Estate is outside of Spanish Town. So of course can think about it that way, but also you can see there again that the Kemtek homes are right on target with what is being offered in the market right now. So the 14 million, it's not bad, it's actually right on target. Pricing is right for what the other competition, other houses may be priced at, or you get what I'm saying. The second housing model being offered is the Vista, and this is priced at $15.5 million. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom option. Now you also get an enclosed laundry. The house size is 980 square feet, and then the lot size range from 3,500 square feet to 4,000 square feet. So with an additional bathroom, you will get more square footage. Like, that just makes sense. So each room would have their bathroom. I would love to put the cost in USD and pounds. I was actually looking at the website, but I realized that Kemtek had there was some issue with the pricing, that there's no way that could have been the correct pricing. So I didn't want to further communicate that type of pricing to you guys in terms of the exchange and the currencies, because when I looked at it, the website was saying the 3-bedroom in pounds, it would have been cheaper than the 2-bedroom. So I said, okay, so obviously somebody's not doing their job over at Kemtek, which may have even been the reason why they postponed all of this. Like, information probably on the site is not ready. So Kemtek, you gotta look at that, guys. You got to look at that, because ain't no way. So I didn't want to do my own price conversions. I wasn't going to use Kemtek's price conversions. You can just look at the daily rate and make your own conversions. Now remember that prices are also subject to change. This is something that Kemtek has stated multiple times, so pay that issue in mind. The 14 million may not stay at 14 million, all right? It may not stick. Now the Monarch is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom option. So of course, your master, you will have your bathroom alongside your bedroom. So that in your master, you'll have your own master bedroom, ensuite, and then the other 2 bedrooms will share a bathroom, right? And this would also act as your guest bathroom, that shared bathroom. So the Monarch will also have an enclosed laundry. The house size is 1,184 square feet, and it sits on a lot size of 4,000 square feet. So not bad with the Monarch. As I said earlier, the launch of the sale of these units has not yet been announced by Kemtek Homes. I would suggest you continuously check their website and their Instagram page for updates and follow up information. I will also make a community post here on YouTube when the official launch of the sale of phase 3 is live. So make sure you subscribe, and while you're down there subscribing, make sure you like this video. All right, so I will make a community post telling you guys when everything is live and when you can go ahead and apply for these homes. What are my thoughts on the development and the houses being offered by Kemtek? Let's talk about it. So I do like Kemtek's attention to detail. I do love how the open concept living, dining, kitchen situation is really quite spacious. I love the vaulted ceilings. I just love how the ceramic tiles, everything just flows. It looks way more modern. It looks way more expensive than what was being offered by NHT and their developers Wiccan. I think Kemtek, they had a little razzle dazzle to it, and it just overall a better look, more attention to detail. It's nicer. But of course, with a larger living space, it's subtract there from the bedrooms and the bathrooms. And I feel like in most of these models, the master bedroom, the bedroom is okay, but then the master bathroom just seems so small to me. your tub is like right next to your toilet, and then the toilet's right next to the vanity. Yes, right next to the vanity, and that's the only thing that really like throws me off. It's the size of the master bedroom. I feel as though a little bit more could have been done. Like you could have get a little more space in your master bedroom. That's just my opinion for a real master. Of course, this may just be your starter home, but still it would be nice to have a master that can fit like a king size bed. Am I asking too much? I don't know. But even if it can fit a king size bed, it should at least be able to fit a queen size bed and two nightstands like beside it. You know, like give us something. Give us something. But nonetheless, I do think this is a better offering than what is being offered at Silver Sun Estate. Just by the pictures and the virtual tour alone, the porcelain tiles, the granite countertops, it just come off as better quality. The cupboards look better already. It looks like hardwood solid cupboards, really nice, really classy, modern design with a bit of, you know, traditional contemporary. Like it's nice, it looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. So kudos to Kemtek for again offering affordable housing, something well put together, decent, polished, clean, nice. How much that make so nice? But really, kudos to them for this development and for phase 3 and for working so fast too with being able to offer phase 3, knowing that phase 1 and 2 was just offered in October. Well, kind of 1 year, that's still, wow, time is going by quickly. But yes, so kudos to them. I do like this development. Tell me in the comments down below, guys, what you think of what's been offered at Colbeck Manor. How do you think it compares with other things on the market? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Also, check out my Instagram at Safe Haven. I post all the updates there, lots of information, lots of good stuff, and persons will get sneak peeks behind the scenes and everything on my Instagram. So make sure you're following the Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.